How to change or remove a screen lock pattern on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. And then tap on screen lock type. In here, draw in the current pattern. Next, you can remove the pattern lock by simply selecting pin, password, swipe, or none. So if I select swipe, now my pattern lock has been removed. You can see that if I go to my lock screen, all I have to do now is swipe and I can gain access to my device without having to put in the pattern lock. So that is how you can remove the pattern lock from the lock screen. To simply change the pattern, you can just go back in and select pattern, and from here you can draw a new pattern, then tap on continued. We draw that same pattern again to confirm, then tap on the confirm button. And that's it, then tap on done. And now you can use the new pattern to gain access to your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.